listen up. 1, 2. I hate that. I literally cannot even cold start my car with the valves open. I don't know what Ford was thinking when they put these locks, these controls on our exhaust valve. Luckily, there is a company who believes that the power to control the valves should rest in the customer's hands. Shout out to AWE for sending me this. Shout out to AWE for making an awesome product, which I think it's gonna do exactly what I want. I have been sitting on this product for about 2 months. Hey, I'm sorry, I've been kind of behind with videos and everything, but there really is not a mod on the Shelby GT350R that I have been wanting to do more than this. Everybody down below is gonna say, why didn't you just get the Grim Speed valve delete, you know, whatever. And sure, that's a viable option. However, I really want the ability to close the exhaust when I want to. Now, like you and me, I will probably want it open 98% of the time, but that 2%, when I want to close it, I want to be able to close it. And that's exactly why I'm so pumped about this product. This should give me full control no matter what the mode, no matter if it's cold start, the car's been off, the car's been on. I should just be able to push a button, they're open, no matter what mode, push a button, they're closed, no matter what mode. And that's exactly what we're installing today. Now, I could do this by myself probably, but it's gonna be much easier with a lift, and I reached out to my friends at Baker Built Garage. I know they do mainly Hondas and fast Supras, but they're gonna help me out today. I can't believe you guys got a Mustang in here. This is quite the upgrade for you guys.
I mean,
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, this lift's not used to this much torque.
I'm just kidding.
This lift is like, what the fuck is going on?
Help. All right, okay, we got some fancy stuff here. Got some fancy, let me just see here what we got here.
You can tell it's gonna be good by how good the packaging is.
Okay, they gave us a lollipop. So I'll tell you what, if you do a good job, you can have this.
Appreciate it. Incentive.
It's watermelon. Okay, so we got a controller, some zip ties. That's promising. It's promising.
Always, are they clear zip ties or
A
are they black?
sticker, black zip tie.
Okay, okay.
Is that quality?
Yes. Oh my god, it's disgusting. That's like a 10th off your lap time, dude.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Archetype Racing rear rock catcher. There we go.
Multifunctional.
This is great. Okay, I think the hard part is over. I think we're pretty much there now. Okay, we got a little bit of bad news. It appears that they may have sent me the wrong one because these plugs right here, these are not for my car. I knew there might have been a little bit of a mix-up when the install guide says remote control switch path control box for VW, Audi, and Mercedes. Okay, so this was a big hassle, big waste of time for no reason. I'm probably going to leave the rear diffuser off and just hope that AWE sends me the right part, basically like immediately. So we will pick this video up in a few days. Okay, so I'm an idiot. AWE actually sent me the right one. I know it said like Audi or something on the packaging, but remember, they don't officially sell a kit for the GT350R. So I just think that there's some applications that will work, and I think this is one of them. And they're gonna see this video and it might actually help them in maybe marketing or saying, okay, yeah, this product is definitely good to go for the Shelby GT350R. I probably could have reached back out to Baker Built and got the car on the lift, but I figured this was my mistake. I probably should own it. So I'm gonna do this by myself here in my garage on jack stands. All right, so just like last time, first thing we gotta do is take off the rear diffuser. I'm actually very proud of myself for being able to do that. So now comes the fun part. We can install the AWE switch path remote. Hopefully this works.
This plug right here is a huge pain to get out. I am struggling. All right, there it is. You have to push this little red tab down, and then you need to push that back side down. Very challenging. So this is the new one, and the bottom one's the old one. I woke up this morning and my neck was sore. I guess it's from being underneath the car like this, but like the front of my neck. Ugh, I'm getting old. So just to recap, we haven't made too much progress. We did get one of the clips off on the passenger side, so now I just have to get the one off the driver's side. I got it. So this is the wire that goes into the exhaust valve itself. Now if you follow this up, you'll see it goes into a little connector right here. This one's very easy to unhook. I wish that they just would have made it tap into this main plug. That would make it about 1,000,000 times easier. So passenger side muffler. I've chosen to mount the box here just with 2 zip ties, very sturdy, away from anything hot. So now I just have to run these lines. I think we did it. I think we did it. Wow, pretty impressed actually. So on is open, off is closed. I think we did it. I think we did it. So before I put on the rear diffuser and lower the car to the ground, I'm gonna start it up, make sure I don't have any check engine lights, and this will actually be the first time in this car's history that it has had a true cold start. Tested the drive modes, no check engine light no matter what mode I have it on, and the exhaust stayed open. I'm just gonna double check my routing for the cables, and then I'm gonna put the diffuser back on and we should be good to go. Yes! Every mode, every gear, I have
have full control of the exhaust. Finally, the little switch button down here, it should have been this. I should be able to do anything I want with the exhaust. This solves it. No check engine lights. Everything is perfect, actually. It's cool. AWE actually gives you 2 of these, so maybe you lose one or whatever. I'm just gonna keep one in my toolbox and then the other in the car. Now, the exhaust is gonna be open 90% of the time, but it's awesome now that I have the control to close it when I need to. That's it for me, guys. Jason Andrews, the All-American Driver. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next episode.